Okay, this is part 5 of playing with my fidgets from my fidget drawer. Here are 2 last puppets plus this big one, so we gotta get through this.
That was my blonde dark one. Papa. Wait for part 6.